could say I heard Carrickfergus, I wouldn't even tell you how long ago since I heard it. But you can talk about 50 plus anyway. I know it's been always, and there's always some artist comes along and actually gives it, you know, a lift or gives it something. And
yeah.
I'm trying to think of Phil Coulter, and I mean he played it in part of his repertoire. And then Kennedy, what do you call the singer? Brian Kennedy.
Brian Kennedy, yeah.
He brought it up, and he brought it up. There's other singers who brought it up. There's always somebody comes along, just gives that something different, and then everybody's singing it again.
I wish I was in Carrickfergus, only for nights in Ballygrand. I would swim over the deepest ocean, only for nights in Bangor. But the sea is wide that I cannot swim over, and neither have I the wings to fly. I wish I could find me a handsome boatman to ferry me over.
The song could be about anywhere.
Yeah.
I mean, there's nothing in it to say that it's definitely Carrickfergus. The sea.
Except the name.
Except the name, and you have the sea, all right.
Yeah.
And across the loch and all that, but then the boatman. But outside that, I mean, I would say we're writing a song about Carrickfergus, you know, the castle, and you know, some more historical facts in it. It was actually about Carrickfergus. But that's all right. Carrickfergus have adopted, so what?
With gold and silver.
The story I've heard about the song is that it was written about some Carrickfergus down in the south of Ireland somewhere. So it's not actually to do with Carrickfergus in the north. But of course, Carrickfergus people wouldn't say that, and we've adopted it and stole it on them.
But it's made it actually, well, you could say world famous. Because, I mean, I did research, some American artists sang it way back in the 50s or something. Can't remember who it was. So I made it famous then. So he was an American, so he made it famous. So.
But I'm sick now. My days are over. So come all ye young men and lay me down. And I'm drunk today, and I'm sad and sober, a handsome rover from town to town. But I'm sick now. My days are over. So come all ye young men and lay me
That's it, Seamus, give us a round laugh.
That's it, there we go, yeah.